What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SKLZ stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Webull valued up to $1,850, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account, deposit $100 and choose your free stocks. That's it. And we are on Skillz.com and we are on section about, and let me give you some information about this company. Skillz is a leading mobile games platform that connects players in fair, fun and meaningful competition. The Skillz platform helps developers build a multi-million-dollar franchise by enabling social competition in their games. Leveraging its patented technology, Skillz hosts billions of casual esports tournaments for millions of mobile players worldwide and distributes millions in prizes each month. The company is headquartered in San Francisco and backed by leading venture capitalists, media companies, and professional sports leagues and franchises. And here is some financial data about this company. For now, their total market cap is $8.38 billion. They have a revenue of $230.12 million with a negative net income of $122.46 million. They have mind-blowing revenue growth of 91.97%. And their total cash is $262.73 million. They are debt-free. And they have very good current ratio of 5.77. And let's continue with latest news. We are on Seeking Alpha, and on April 24th we have this article that is titled ARK Invest Defends Skillz After Short Attack as it adds shares. And the main bullets are: ARK Invest added another 3.8 thousand shares of Skillz for the ARK Innovation Fund on Friday, to top off a big week of buying action. ARK also defended Skillz in its weekly commentary on stocks. The recent allegations against the company range from its revenue recognition practices to its recent NFL partnership. After reviewing the reports, we believe the claims to be either exaggerated or incorrect. We believe these short reports stem from a misunderstanding of the company, its position in the gaming ecosystem and its future ambitions. Skillz is a leading mobile games platform that enables competitive esports-style play. Leveraging its patented matchmaking technology, Skillz hosts billions of casual esports tournaments worldwide per year. And this was the major catalyst of huge spike in price, but let's continue with it a little bit later. And for now, we have some negative news, and it was published on April 22nd, just yesterday. Skillz CEO sued by his brother over 5% stake. And here is the main bullets. Skillz is involved in a legal tussle after the brother of the company's founder filed a petition to gain control back of an investment trust. The lawsuit accuses Skillz CEO Andrew Paradise of a scheme to take over his brother's 5% stake of the company per Bloomberg law. Shares of Skillz are off 0.3% pre-market to $21.1 to barely dent the plus 60% one-week return. And this bullet I've already covered a couple of minutes ago, that ARK Invest defended Skillz and said the claims of a short seller were exaggerated. So let's continue with the summary of this news. And we are on Investor Place. This article was published on April 23rd and it's titled ARK Invest buys 6 million shares of Skillz stock. You should buy Skillz too. And according to this article, the main catalyst of huge growth of about 70% was the ARK Investment Fund. And why it happened? In 2020, Cathie Wood and her fund ARK Investment Management emerged as a face of innovation investing, or investing in emerging companies that are pioneering innovative new technologies. Her fund has returned about 180% over the past 12 months, so clearly that team knows what they are doing. ARK Invest went on a Skillz stock buying spree over the past few days. On Thursday and Wednesday of this week, it means of the last week, ARK Invest collectively bought about 6.3 million shares of Skillz stock. It's a huge vote of confidence from a firm that has established itself as a credible thought leader in the emerging technology space. And as I've already told you, this company, I mean Skillz, is very promising and it has a very good future, and this company will double or even triple your money. And I will show you in my technical analysis in a minute that my previous targets was undervalued. All this information leads us to their institutional investors, and let me show you the entire list and try to count red lines. It is 0 red lines across the entire list. This means all these companies have a huge belief in SKLZ stock. Before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So I made my previous video about 2 weeks ago somewhere at this point, and I've told you that we might hit our next support/resistance. Right here it was a resistance, and here it might be a support, but we poke it through and immediately in a matter of couple of days bounce back with a very indicative volume. This means it might be a start of uptrend. On top of that, here was my assumption that we are on ABC correction, and as usual I made a breakdown of C wave, because C wave must be in the shape of 5 waves, and here was the top of the first wave on a C wave. Here is the bottom of the first wave, because it should act vice versa. Here is the second retracement, here is the third right at the bottom, fourth, and the fifth point is the very bottom of entire structure. And I was right with the structure, but I missed a little bit with the lowest point. But it is totally okay in the long run, because all these 3 accumulation points, main accumulation points, are in green zone for now. Even from our top right here, we have about 7% of potential profits so far, and from our lowest point we have about 40% of potential profits, and it is just the beginning. On top of that, because we broke this previous support/resistance, in my opinion, third wave cannot have this deep retracement. And as you can see on my previous breakdown, I thought that we might have, this is our first wave, this is our second, this is the third, next fourth retracement, and fifth to be determined. But in my opinion, for now, I think we have another first wave, and this breakdown is irrelevant for now, in my opinion, and we have this structure as our first wave. And with the assumption that I am right, we have this as our first wave, this as our deepest retracement. Next will be the third wave, fourth and fifth. And let me show you that third should be the strongest wave among all 3 impulsive waves. And fifth wave is highly above, somewhere at the top of the screen. And how to determine the third wave? We don't need these targets anymore. And to make a projection of a target, I pull a Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of this wave to the top of this wave, and third point at the bottom of the retracement. And here is the levels. With the assumption that we have to land our third wave, our main target is at 1.618 extension from the first wave, and it might be at $68.94 mark. But also we might have more aggressive target at 2.618 level, and this leads us to the level of about $100. In my opinion, for now it is too early to rely on this target, but this target, this third wave, is very viable in a matter of 10 to 18 months. And from our current price, we have about 250% of potential profits. And what should you do if you want to invest in this company? Let me show you on a 4-hour time frame. Basically, this structure has very good volume. It indicates that bunch of institutional investors and bunch of retail investors are interested in this company. And to be profitable, you have to accumulate your position while the price going down. And let me measure this movement. I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of the wave to the top of the wave. And here is the level that we might land in nearest future, and these levels might be your potential entry points. Here is the 0.382 level, Next one is 0.5 level. And the most probable level of trend reversal, but in my opinion, we won't hit it anytime soon, is 0.65 level, the golden pocket. And by the way, if you already enter your position at these levels, you don't need to add your position right here. But if you want to open your new position, these levels might be for you as potential investment. And in case if we will continue to grow from this point, you might add small amount of money right here at 0.236 level. So with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!